In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Freshsales for team collaboration. Freshsales is a great tool for keeping your sales team aligned because it allows everyone to work from the same place when managing leads, deals, customer details, notes, and follow-up tasks. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is log in to your Freshsales account because before your team can collaborate, you need to make sure your members are added correctly. Once you're inside the account, click on your profile, then go to Users. This is where you can manage the people who will have access to your Freshsales workspace. From there, click Add User. You'll then fill in the new user's basic information by entering their first name, last name, and email address. After that information is complete, click Add User again to create the user. Next, you'll need to connect that user to an account. Click Add Account, then select the appropriate account. After that, choose Freshsales as the product you want them to access. For this example, set the role to Sales User, then click Confirm. This role is a practical choice for team members who need to work with sales records and collaborate on customer information without changing higher-level administrative settings. Once that's done, head over to the Admin settings. In the search box, type in Teams, then click Sales Teams. This feature is helpful because it lets you organize users into clear groups, which makes ownership, visibility, and collaboration much easier to manage across your sales process. Now go ahead and create your team. Enter a team name that clearly reflects the group's function, then choose your team members from the list. After selecting everyone who should be included, click Save. At this point, your team structure is in place, and that creates a stronger foundation for collaboration inside Freshsales. To make the most of it, always assign an owner to every lead and deal so responsibility is clear. Keep important customer information inside Freshsales instead of scattered across personal notes or spreadsheets. Make sure your team records customer interactions like calls, meetings, emails, and key updates so anyone can quickly understand the account history. It's also a good idea to use tasks for every next action with a clear owner and deadline. Keep notes concise and useful, focusing on what another teammate would need to know. Use automation whenever possible for repetitive assignments and reminders. Review team reports regularly to spot bottlenecks and define clear ownership rules so everyone knows who handles each stage of the sales process. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.